Hi, I'm Andy and I'm here at the Warrington Training Solutions Academy. In this week's Training Tuesday, I'll be explaining how the diverter valve operates in our Combi 2 range. If we take a look at the positioning of the diverter valve, it's over on the left hand side. We can see the diverter motor head and the diverter itself in the left-hand hydraulics. The diverter valve on demand decides where to distribute the heat, either to the radiators or through to the taps. First things first, we're going to need to drain the appliance. So isolate the valves and use the drain point underneath, or the more convenient drain point internally on the outlet of the pressure relief valve. With the appliance drained, we want to remove the motor head. In order to do this, we'll pull out the retaining clip. The motor head can now be lifted out of the diverter cartridge. Remove the diverter cartridge by holding the hydraulics. Once threaded out, the cartridge can be removed and taken away. For ease of demonstration, I've removed the left-hand hydraulics. The heat provided by the primary heat exchanger will travel down the flow pipe and enter the diverter valve at this point. Removing the motor head and cartridge, we'll be able to explain how this then distributes. Remove the motor head by taking out the securing clip. Removing the diverter cartridge will allow us to explain its route. The flow pipe sends the heat down and will enter the cartridge at this point here. It will then be distributed down to radiator circuit or up through to the plate heat exchanger. The motor head will decide on demand whether to push the plunger down, opening up the radiator circuit, or retract the plunger back to open up the hot water route. To show the hot water and heating path, we can press down, opening up the central heating circuit, and once a hot water demand is received, it will close the central heating port and open up the hot water port, sending heated water through to the plate heat exchanger. So there we have it. In today's Training Tuesday, we've explained how the diverter motor and diverter cartridge operate to distribute hot water and heating. For more information, contact your local area sales manager or go to baxi.co.uk/training.